In response to when is it time to change the sand in a filter, the pressure on my pump rises rapidly. What would be causing this? I am having to backwash every 1 to 2 hours.
Okay, so that is a key and perfect indicator of it's time to change sand in the filter. What happens basically is you have a body of sand that the water is pushed down through, and debris is left in the sand, and then the clean water goes back into a manifold of fingers at the bottom, back up and out to the pool. Well, as that surface becomes packed with stuff and backwashes aren't enough to fluff and get rid of it, you have what's called channeling in there. As you backwash and it pushes a hole or two through to backwash the water out, and when you go to start the pump again, now there's a channel for the water to flow through, and pump's pushing it easily right through those channels, and your pressure's staying low, and then rapidly it starts raising because any debris is now filling in those channels. That's the official term is channeling in a filter. Now, it could be channeling down through the middle. It could be hitting that sand and rolling right down the edges and running between the sand and the fiberglass or plastic shell and running right down to those fingers and then back to the pool, and you're not getting proper circulation. And as soon as you finish backwashing, put it on and back into normal mode, it works for a little while because those channels are now open, but very rapidly they close up, and now the pump has to push harder to get water through. As the pump is pushing harder to do it, that's what you're seeing the pressure rise because of the pressure in the tank to get that water to squeeze through the sand. So based on what you're saying, it's the optimal time to change the sand in your filter.